Hi, this is Andrew the Blacksmith coming to you from Bangkok. Today I'm reviewing a product by Jason Fulton. A brand new method for making an easy $232 per day with just 10 minutes of very simple work. Passive payments, and the front end of this product is only $14 to get you going. Do you see people making money like this and wonder if you'll ever get there? That's Jason Fulton and Morans. Actually, Jason Fulton got me going in this business, and I owe a lot to him for my success. And you can be getting results like this, consistent $200 paydays. Limitless. Sounds like something really cool, doesn't it? And it is. And when you buy through my link in the bonus page, which will be below this video in the comment section, you'll get all my wonderful bonuses, and they are amazing. And they will be waiting for you in the members area once you purchase this wonderful application to set you on your way. So if you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe. That'd be great. So this is Andrew the Blacksmith signing off with a Rickapootie and a Fan Doogly.